Hi guys, welcome back. I am so happy to have you here. Today I am on my terrace to give you an update of the ridge gourd. In each of these crates, in this green one and in this red one and in these buckets, 3 buckets, I had put the seeds of ridge gourd, that's Tori. You can see that only one seed in this crate has germinated and one seed of Tori, that is ridge gourd, has germinated in this crate. None of the seeds in these buckets have germinated. So what I did today is that I have put one seed in this crate, one seed again I have put in this crate, this green one, and one seed in each of these buckets I have put. And now I'll water these, but not too heavily. I hope that these seeds germinate well. In any case, I'll keep you updated. And here is one more green crate. You can see adjacent to the one where I have put the seeds of ridge gourd. I'll shift 2 saplings of tomato in this. Now one sapling of gol mirch is left here. One sapling of capsicum I have shifted here. And 2 more saplings of gol mirch I have shifted in these 2 pots. And 2 more saplings of capsicum I have shifted in this white rectangular pot. And I want to show you these capsicum. This is yellow capsicum growing fabulously, and other green capsicums, they are also growing nicely in these 12-inch pots. Zucchinis here are growing nicely. This zucchini plant is also doing well, and I hope to get zucchinis from this too. These are the plants of ladyfinger. Today actually, the main reason I am on my terrace is to give this compost to my plants. So this is the compost. In the morning I came up and I just put out this compost in the sun because it was a little wet, and now it has become dry. This is a compost from my own kitchen waste. Very healthy for the plants. You just have to rake the soil lightly, making it sure that you don't disturb the roots of the plants. Then you have to take some of this compost and spread it around the plant. In the morning only I had watered it, so you have to make sure that when you put compost in your plants, the soil of the plant is not very dry. So rake the soil of each and every pot and put this compost. This will give a boost to the growth. And in this small pot where I had put the seeds of capsicum, gol mirch and acacia mirch, as you know, none of the acacia mirch had sprouted. So I'll put some more seeds here. I have raked the soil again here, and I'll put some more seeds here in this side. And I have already told you that I have shifted the saplings of capsicum, the 3 saplings of capsicum, to the different places, and 2 saplings of gol mirch to different pots. And this one also I'll shift today. And friends, I hope you remember, this is the pot where I had put the seeds of tomato from my own home, and I told you on that day how to sow the seeds of tomato. And today you can see, after 3 weeks, these 3 saplings have come up, and I'll shift these 2. This is a very small one. This I'll shift afterwards if it grows nicely. These 2 I'll shift in this crate. While shifting, what we should do is, we have to give enough water to the pot so that it becomes easy for us to take out the plant without damaging its roots. I have given enough water to it, and I'll give some water to this crate also, in which I am going to shift the saplings. First we have to dig holes in the pot where we have to shift the sapling. You can see how I am doing this. Using this tool I am doing this. You have to make it sure that the hole is not in the corner, because you know, then it will not get enough space to spread its roots. So that is why I am doing one here and one at this place. So this much deep hole is enough. And now I'll take out the sapling. As the soil is very wet now, as I had put enough water, so it is very easy for me to take it out like this without hurting its roots. And now with some of the soil from this, I'll shift it here. Try to put all the, not even try, you have to put all the roots, like enough roots of it in the soil, so that the plant grows very nicely. And make it sure that there are no air pockets left. The sapling, this I told you I'll wait for some more days for it to grow, and I have taken enough soil with this, and I have not disturbed the roots of the plant, of the sapling, sorry. And now you have to again give a soft pressure, putting it inside the soil so that no air pockets are left. This I have told you many times, that we have to make it sure when we shift the saplings that no air pockets are left, because if air pockets are there, the roots will be spoiled. 3 weeks ago I showed you how we can sow the seeds of tomato. Today I have showed you how we can transplant, how we can shift the saplings of tomato to a bigger pot from where I have taken out the tomato saplings. I am putting these seeds of cherry tomatoes. Let's see how many of these sprout out. I'll surely keep you updated. So friends, I hope you like this video of mine, and if you have really liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do share it with your gardener friends who may find it useful. And if you are new to my channel, and if you feel that my channel can be of some use to you, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.